Hello, my beautiful thinking people. Welcome back to Advocation X and your host, Clyde Phillips. I want a quick insert here. Hit that like button, subscribe, become a member, share us with all your family and friends and everyone you know. We will continue to bring topics that will intrigue you, anger you, shock you, and maybe even agree with you. Today, I'd like to bring to your attention the fact that the ICJ, or International Court of Justice, has heard arguments for 5 straight days on the situation going on in Israel and Gaza. And I want you to know that, contrary to Canadian popular opinion, almost every other country that has appeared before the ICJ has argued on behalf of the Palestinians. Now, I know that's a controversial topic, and a lot of you are going to be extremely angry by that, but understand something. The ICJ works solely on law. They don't care about your feelings. They don't care about my feelings. They don't care about anything other than the law, the legality that's set in front of them. Every country has had an opportunity to present its legal case in front of the ICJ. And the ICJ is hearing every single one of them. They've heard from Indonesia, they've heard from UK, they've heard from Switzerland, they have heard from, of course, South Africa, they have heard from Ireland, they've heard, honestly, I'd like to recite every single country that has appeared before the ICJ so far, but I can tell you it's a lot. And I would say that about 95% of them are totally arguing on the side of Palestine. Unfortunately, the atrocities that are going on there are far beyond what the rest of us have been shown in mainstream media. What you need to do is you need to go on and look for the hearings of the ICJ. When you watch and see the evidence and the testimony that's going on, you will then be able to make a fair decision. Now, don't get me wrong. The other countries have made quite the case for Israel. So I'm not here picking sides. I'm here to bring you the information so that you can go take a look, do your own research, and come up with your own opinion. Do so, please, at your earliest convenience. This divisive topic has been reaping havoc among the Canadian populace and the populace of countries all around the world. So, at least be informed, hear the legal arguments, see if they're actually representing properly, see if everything falls in line with your own moral stances, and if so, then hey, you don't even have to argue with anybody. Once you've heard all that evidence, and you've made an informed decision, stick by your decision. It's yours to have. Your opinion means everything. I wanted to bring that to your attention. I'll give you a little more information on this on the next video concerning the ICJ, and we'll see how this rolls. And I'll let you know the conclusions they come up with, because 5 days of hearings, those judges, I haven't seen one of them fall asleep yet. I've seen them taking notes. I've seen them not even nodding in agreement or against. Folks, this is probably going to be one of the most important decisions made in the history of the world, and that includes the decisions made on the, that situation that happened so many years ago that we're not even allowed to mention. Anyway, let me let that go. It's time for me to say to you, we never give up, we never give in, but we keep an open mind, because knowledge is based on an open mind's ability to gather information. And that's the only power any of us will ever have, so don't give up your power. Go do your own research, make sure you have the information readily available so you can make good decisions. Okay? Hit the like button, subscribe, become a member, share this video and every other video with all your friends and family. Let's get those numbers flying. Okay? Now, stay safe, stay healthy, and above all, stay as happy as humanly possible. And until next time, I love you all. Bye for now.